Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text direction in PowerPoint without text box. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to change the text direction without text box. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Select the table option. Then draw a table. Now I am select the whole table and click the table design menu. Select the shading option, choose no shading. Now I am write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text and change the color. Go back the home menu, select the color. Then again select the text and go to the layout menu. Select the text direction and change the direction. Then resize the box of the table. Now we can see we change the text direction without text box easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.